Bonjour tout le monde! Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you to have a look inside of épicières, boulangerie, supermarket, and a little skincare, organic skincare that is, to give you a look inside of the French culture and what it's like living here. So allez, let's get into the video. Shopping for groceries in France is a little different than shopping for groceries in certain countries. In certain countries, maybe you will go grocery shopping once per week or once every 2 weeks, but in France, it is not unusual to find people going grocery shopping every day or maybe 2 to 3 times per week because in France, they like everything fresh. Fresh is the best. Even to buy fresh bread daily is a must. It's just part of the French culture. You know, when in Rome, do what the Romans do. When in France, do what the French do. Therefore, fresh bread is a must. First on our list is the épicière. An épicière is a grocery shop, like a retail grocery shop, where you can buy all your groceries. Everything you need is right here. It's like a quick in and out grocery shop, basically. Here in this video, I will try not to focus on price and cost of living in France because in general, when comparing to Jamaica, the cost of living in France is much higher, and the prices for groceries and stuff like that in France is much higher than in Jamaica. And when I look at data from other countries and compare with France, France is not really the cheapest country in the world, but it's not the most expensive, and it depends on where in France you live. Because if you live in Paris, wow, pull out your wallet because you're going to spend money if you live in Paris. But if you live in other areas of France, it can be less expensive, but still not the cheapest. Next up, supermarché. Supermarché in French is supermarket, and you have many different brands, or should I say chains of supermarkets. Intermarché is just one of the brand that I was allowed to visit. In France, you have supermarché and hypermarché. Supermarché is regular supermarket, and hypermarché is the big supermarkets. Hypermarchés are just really huge. I mean, you can get lost in one of them. Like even comparing a French supermarket to Jamaican supermarket, like the French, they don't play when it comes to wines because the wine section is huge. Like I've never seen wine sections so huge in Jamaica before. Like the French, they don't play when it comes to wines and stuff like that. And the prices can vary between as low as 3 euros to as high as 100 euros. And I'm just saying off the top of my head. But you have wines more expensive than 100 euros, trust me. And the cheese section in France is huge. Like, I've never seen so much cheese in all of my life. Like, I am just a little girl from Jamaica, and all I know growing up is just the little cheddar cheese that we have on Easter with our bun and stuff like that. But here in France, my palate for cheese is now bad and bougie. Here you have Monoprix, and Monoprix is another supermarket chain here in France. And I take you inside this one to give you a complete example of a supermarket here in France, because the one that I take you in before was an express. And each brand have the express version of the brand as well as the main version of the brand. The ones with the express marking tend to be smaller and don't have a lot of variety of things. Like here you can see a huge makeup aisle. Like the express version would definitely not have a huge makeup aisle like this. It would maybe have a little section with few makeup in it. There's many other differences between express and major version of the brand supermarket in France, but I don't really want to get into that. Just know that you have the express version as well as the main version of the brand in each brand or chain of supermarket in France. Okay? The thing that I personally like in France is everything is labeled correctly. You can know the country that everything comes from. It could be even as small as one berry or one grape. You definitely know which country it come from, what season, what grade, what category. Like every single thing is labeled. Regarde le fromage, le cheese. Look at the cheese. Oh my gosh, j'aime bien. Oh, come to mama. I'm such a fool, but wow, I just love cheese. In France, they say the stinkier the cheese, the better it tastes. So, I mean, just cover your nose and just take a bite. Trust me, I guarantee you won't regret it. the boulangerie. Here you have a boulangerie. This brand is called Paul. A boulangerie is basically a bakery in France, and here you will find fresh bread, pastries, everything that have to do with baking and oh Lord, speaking French, go and make me curse bad word. Patisserie. Jeez. The word is stuck in my throat. What's wrong with me? Anyways, yeah, patisserie. And I personally like to buy fresh baguette. A baguette is a French bread that you will have to buy fresh because it have no preservative, no additive in it. So it goes bad easily, and when it does go bad, it is very, very hard. I mean, hard as a rock. You can throw it on the wall and it goes through it. That's how hard it is. But yeah, baguette can be really, really hard if you don't buy it fresh and if you don't use it quickly. And finally, skincare, L'Occitane. L'Occitane is one of the homemade natural skincare brand in France. And you have another one which is Yves Rocher. This brand focuses around natural ingredients and it is very, I would say, organic. It is very environment friendly. It is just one of those brands that if you are very conscious about the environment, if you are very conscious about using natural products and natural things, this is one of the line in France that you can try out. But best of all, it is very, very, very affordable. I mean, natural product that is environment friendly and that is affordable. I mean, come on, I really, really like these products. I use them while I'm living here. You can find a link in the description as to the information and check it out yourself. This is not a sponsored video by them. I just enjoy using the product because I'm a natural girl, you know. I like natural products and products that is good for the environment and stuff like that. So yeah, you can check this out and see for yourself. They have a wide variety of products. I mean, shampoos for hair, skin, anti-age, you name it, this brand has it. And yeah, environment friendly. I support, I endorse. I would like to give a big thank you, or should I say big up, to everybody who allow me to video inside of the stores. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. This is not easy to do, to video inside of stores in France. But these people allow me and trusted me to video inside their stores. So thank you very much. I appreciate. Much love and respect. One love. God bless. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was very informative and you get an idea as what it's like here in France. I look forward to doing more video, but as you know, France at the moment is in a bit of a confinement, so I don't know when it will be possible. But thank you guys for watching. Have a good night, a good day, whatever it is, wherever you are. Bisous, au revoir.